Okay, so how about this one? Okay, so this one at least has the regular micro USB connector. Again, that's one of the media players. Looks very familiar. I'm not sure what that is. All right, so let's plug it in. Okay, so we have screen. Can we turn it on? Where's the power button? Wait, what happened? Okay, all right, so we have menu, movie, voice, FM radio even. Nice settings. Okay, system time. From a version, okay. 2014, nice. So yeah, not sure what the device it is, but it seems to be working. Again, obviously it needs to be tested for the headphones, things like that. But so far, I mean, nothing is obviously wrong with that. So what is this thing? Some kind of media player. So I'll look it up. And seems to be working. All right, so I did take a closer look at this device, and it seems to be in a good working condition. There we go. I never remember how to turn them on. So music, like so, and it does play. I mean, it plays on the headphones. There's, I mean, this device is pretty much as bottom of the barrel as you can think, as far as media players are concerned. So it does play. It only plays via the headphone jack. There's no speakers, so it's kind of hard to even record that it does, but it does. What else is in there? Let's just quickly check. And so that's music. There's a movie, so I guess it plays some video. You can do recording, voice, FM radio. That's the interesting one. It uses the headphone cable as an antenna. Check photos, settings, not really a whole lot. Ebooks apparently. And that's it. There's no markings, no indication of what the manufacturer of the device is, the model number, anything like that. The only thing you could find is, I think it's on the firmware page, AK2117D. And that's the markings of the system on a chip that is used in a lot of the no-name devices. So if you know what this device is, like what's the original name for that, if there was one, I assume there is one, let me know in the comments. I don't know. That's as much as I know. So again, that continuing the the budget version of that is, well, you did see that, well, it can play some music. It only does so if you put it on the micro SD card. So without the card, there's no internal memory, so it seems. Well, there is some for the firmware, because apparently it's upgradable, so I couldn't see any new version or anything like that. But none of that is accessible for the actual media storage. So if you connect this device to the computer, and again, well, one benefit of that is that there's a standard micro USB cable here, no funky connectors. But you don't you don't insert the micro SD card, then the drive mounted on this device is 0. So basically there's no space. There's no space to put anything on the internal memory. The only way to do it, or so it seems, is to use the SD card. And when you do that, yeah, you can connect with a micro USB. You can use it as a regular device or as a drive. Put in and out whatever media files you want, or you can do it in some other device, whatever is a phone, computer, or anything like that, and then insert it, and it would play it. So that's that. As simple as you can think. I mean, I should probably say as cheap as you can make them. But it works. There were no issues here. It charged fine, so the battery is okay. Again, I don't know what the runtime would be, but again, it's something, I guess. And again, for $1, I'd take that, so not too bad. Another device is in acceptable working condition. And with that, I'll see you next time. See you then.